How to fix "you can't make this change at the moment" when removing a number from Facebook. This tutorial covers the most common fixes for this error. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. From there, wait a few minutes and try removing the number again, since Facebook sometimes throttles account changes temporarily after too many attempts in a short period. After that, if it's still showing the error, check your internet connection by swiping down to open the quick panel and switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. At this point, if the connection isn't the issue, long press the Facebook app icon from your home screen or app drawer. Following this, tap App Info. From here, tap Storage. At this stage, tap Clear Cache to remove any temporary files that could be causing the error. Following this, back out and tap Force Stop. From here, tap OK to confirm. At this stage, reopen Facebook and try removing the number again. If it's still not working, try making the change through a browser instead of the app. Keep in mind, this error often happens because Facebook requires a minimum number of contact methods on file, so if the number you're trying to remove is your only one, you may need to add a new email or number first before it lets you remove the old one. That's how you fix "you can't make this change at the moment" on Facebook. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.